Greetings and saludos desde Acapulco, Mexico. I've checked in yesterday to the Princess Mundo Imperial Hotel, and I want to give you a tour of my room, as I always do when I travel. This is a hotel I've stayed at. I think this is my third or fourth time staying here at this hotel in Acapulco. This hotel has been around for since at least the 60s or 70s. And it's known, one reason why it's famous is because some famous people who have stayed here, most notably Howard Hughes, once the world's richest man, who lived here before he died. So I'll tell you about that in a minute. But first, let me show you the hotel room. So it's a big room. Every room I've ever had here is really big. It's very expansive. You see the light shining in. Nice big king-size bed. They've kind of revamped the decor a little bit since the last time I stayed here, which I like a lot. So we have some fresh colors. What do you call this thing on a bed? I don't know, but it has it. It has it. So I like that. The bed's very comfortable. I slept well there last night. I want to show you the view because the view is spectacular. This is a beachfront hotel, very dramatic architecture. I can give you a little bit of an idea of what the whole hotel looks like in this painting. This is an abstract version of the hotel with the pools, a lot of palm trees, lush vegetation, and then the hotel itself is kind of like it looks like it's kind of inspired like a 70s version of an Aztec pyramid, maybe. I don't know. But look at this view. Now, when I adjust the camera here, this is the view from my balcony, and you can see the beach. If I can get the door open, I'll show you the pool. But it's just beautiful. You have the beautiful Pacific Ocean out there. Nice, big, wide beach. And then down here, I don't want to fall. There's there's the second, the nice big pools, and you see how lush it is with all that vegetation, all those palm trees, really beautiful stuff. So anyway, so Howard Hughes lived here. He was the world's richest man, so he could live anywhere he wanted. He rented out either the entire top floor or the entire top two floors. I'm not sure which. I think it was in the early 70s, is that correct? Or the late 70s? Anyway, he was living here in glamour and in seclusion because Howard Hughes was like that. Then he started getting sicker and sicker because he was not a healthy man. He ended up boarding a plane for Houston. I think he was going to seek some medical treatment in Houston with some rich doctor friend or something. He died on the flight out of Acapulco flying back to Houston. So this was the last place he lived, not this room. He obviously had like one of the huge suites and floors upstairs, but I'm on the 15th floor. This is the bathroom. And I like the bathroom layout also. It has this area, this ante-room with the sink, but then it has a second room in the water closet area where the shower is too, so it's more than water closet, but it has a second sink. So I like the way this is divided so you can have privacy. Another thing I really like here is the giant closet. Where's the light here? So I live in New York City where closets tend to not be big, and this is like the size of a bedroom in New York City. So I really like all of this space here. I'm a little messy, so pay no attention to that. But this is a nice big room. That's the safe deposit box. And I can take you outside. I think the Wi-Fi will be working well enough to take you out to see the view of the Atrium so we can get a peek up at the floors where Howard Hughes lived in the final months of his life. So this is the central atrium here. You see it's very big, and it goes way up. And so he lived up there on the top floor, and then it goes all the way down here. There's a big atrium lobby over there too. So great visuals here, very dramatic. The food's been good so far while I've been here. I locked myself out of the room, so I figured out how to give it in. Oh, here's my card. But yeah, I'm having a great time here. I'm here for Tianguis, which is Mexico's annual tourism conference for the international market. And it's held every other year in Acapulco, and then in alternating years in a different destination that changes. So very productive visit, a lot of work. I'm covering it for Travel Age West, which is a travel industry publication and site. And that's it. So stay tuned for more from Acapulco. Follow me on Instagram at Mundera, and you'll see even more also on my blog, latinflyer.com. So hope everyone is doing well wherever you may be. Hope you've had a wonderful weekend. And saludos desde Acapulco. Ciao.